Good morning. I'm from Delta Academy, Ghaziabad, and in continuation to our previous video on CLAT 21, we shall continue. CLAT exam is held every year and it is conducted by consortium of NLUs. When we talk of consortium, it is a group of 22 NLUs across country, and they conduct this CLAT examination for two types of the admissions. One is for UG course and one is for PG course. When we talk of UG course, this is LLB 5-year integrated degree course, honors degree. It is taught in all 22 national law universities. Its medium is English throughout, everywhere. It is residential. And it is very exhaustive study of legal area. At the same time, it conducts for PG course. PG, when we talk, is LLM admission. It is for 1 year and 2 semesters. It is held by all the universities who are the members of the consortium. In addition, the CLAT is meant for certain posts in PSU. PSU means public sector undertakings. It has been in process for last few years that public sector undertakings like GAIL, ONGC and many more, they choose law officer out of the merit of the CLAT result, PG course. So this year also, as per the notification given by the consortium of the CLAT, there are 50 posts for law officer, very lucrative posts where emoluments are something 1.5 lakh a month in a starting. So students who secure good marks and stand in merit. So first of all universities take for LLM. This is something 575 posts, vacancies, and further 50 are taken by the PSUs directly from the merit list of the CLAT. So therefore, this is beneficial for all those students who prepare for LLM and aspirants who are preparing for job either in judiciary or otherwise, because the post if they get in public sector undertaking as law officer, it is not less than any judiciary when we talk of lucrative value. This year exam will be conducted on 13th of June 2021, though earlier it was decided to hold in May, but due to certain reasons it has been postponed for 13th of June. Most important thing to be known by the aspirants and students is what is the pattern of CLAT examination. See, pattern is that first 100 questions are of objective type. Here I am talking only about the PG course, LLM. See, CLAT PG. Please understand very well that this video is meant for PG course. So first 100 questions are multiple choice type. Each question carries 1 mark and each wrong answer carries 0.25 mark. This is about the first part. And the second part contains 2 passages of almost 800 words, and from that passage 25 questions each passage are asked, and every question contains answer of value 1 mark. Therefore you can say that the exam is of 150 marks. See, second part, that is descriptive or you say passage type. Why it is introduced? It has been introduced after a clear thought in the mind of the consortium that students who are going either in judiciary or in public sector undertaking must know how to read and understand a passage and how to find out the answers out of it. Everybody cannot do until one has done some exercise. So multiple choice type and second is descriptive type. Two types of the parts are there. It is of 2 hours. It is offline exam. This is not online exam. It is of 2 hours. It is conducted in a very beautiful way, and during COVID, it will have certain observations to be observed by every student. Here, through this video, I want to make clear to all those students, either from Global College of Law or otherwise, appearing for LLM, or those students who are trying for job through judiciary and higher judiciary services or other services like APOs and all that. This is additional avenue for such aspirants to apply for CLAT examination. The last date for applications submission is 31st of March 2021. So still time is there, and I through this video shall advise all students to go through, apply. Sorry, 30th of April. 30th of April. It was March, it has been extended because the exam is also extended. So 30th of April it has been made, and students should take advantage of applying. Online application it is there. Now question comes, what type of the books to be read? What is the syllabus? It is law and law, legal area. For that, first part is constitution, and I shall advise students not get confused. Read 1 or 2 books only. Don't go for 5-10 books of particular subject. Constitution we shall advise. There are very good books either from D.D. Basu, P.M. Bakshi, V.N. Shukla, J.N. Pandey. But we shall advise that only 2 books to be referred by the students, either of Mr. J.N. Pandey or Mr. V.N. Shukla or anybody of suggested books, because these books are complete in themselves. And you know the nature of the questions from the Constitution. I hope students who have done their LLB know very well in how many parts Constitution is divided, how many articles are there, and some basic questions may also be asked about the Constitution, how the Constitution of India was created, what is constitutional supremacy, what are the basic structure of the Constitution, constitutional supremacy in India and parliamentary supremacy in other countries, or the blend of both to be understood well. Constituent Assembly came first, and after good debate and elected Constituent Assembly, they created the Constitution of India through the drafting committee. The head of the drafting committee was the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, first Law Minister of India. How many parts are there? As said, 22 parts are there. How many schedules are there? 12 schedules are there. How many articles are there? 395 articles are there. What time was taken in making the Constitution? It was 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. What is the weight of original Constitution? Original Constitution weight is 13 kg. How many pages are there in the original Constitution? 233. These basic questions should be known. What was the Constituent Assembly? And when was the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly held? It was held on 9th of December 1946. And we are running through 75th year of the Constituent Assembly. These are basic questions. Otherwise, see, all things are well known to the students how to read. The first part is about the title, extent and territory. This is from Article 1 to 4. Second part, 5 to 11, this is for citizenship. For that, you know, lot of hue and cry is going on, CAA and all. If you read the Constitution of India, you will well understand what CAA is and how CAA is created, this all. From 12 to 35 fundamental rights. What Article 12 is, authorities and all state. 13, see why 13 article is there. See, article speaks very clearly that all laws made earlier than Constitution, if contradict the constitutional remedies or constitutional law, will stand jail. So earlier law in India was, you know, the Manusmriti. So Manu Smriti was said why on the day when the Constitution of India had come in position through Article 13. Article 13A is the judicial review. Supreme Court of India is the guardian of the Constitution. So Supreme Court has authority to review all the legislatures created in the Parliament, and if that legislatures are statutes are not in line with the Constitution, not as per the rule of law, can be made void in part or in whole, partially or not. So that way I don't want to elaborate here. Then directive principles of state policies, in which it is expected that the states will take forward the Constitution and will make all efforts to create a welfare state. Egalitarian social order will be created where economic, political and social democracy will be established in the state. And there will be no inequality. This time the Constitution and to be understood well, there are many judgments which have come to decide about the basic structure of the Constitution. As said, that basic structure cannot be touched by any of the government or so. This is decided through certain very important landmark cases. What are the features and what features are called to be the basic structure? So this way Constitution of India has to be understood well. Second part of the law is jurisprudence. Jurisprudence is what? I hope students of LLB know very well. Jurisprudence is the eye of law. Jurisprudence is the grammar of law. Jurisprudence is the knowledge of law. Jurisprudence is the extra version of law. Jurisprudence is the evolution of law. How law is evolved, it is taught in jurisprudence. And it is a part of juris means law. Prudence means knowledge. Prudential knowledge of judgment, constitution. It is jurisprudence. So for jurisprudence also we suggest certain specific book, that is either for Paranjape or Mani Tripathi, are very good books in the market to be understood very well. And third is taught, law of tort. It is not codified law. It is borrowed from the common law. Common law was made by British government for Commonwealth countries, the slave countries. And for torts, we shall suggest the book of Ratan Lal and Dheeraj Lal to be read. Indian Contract Act is a very important act for which a book by Avtar Singh is suggested. See, my advice at this point of time for the students who are preparing for CLAT, UPG course, LLM and PSU, for LLM admission and join this job in PSU. Law cases are very important. See, today every student is supposed to know the law cases in detail. On particular area, what are the cases decided, and particularly of last 2 years. What judgments have been awarded, judgments are given, pronounced, proclaimed by High Courts and Supreme Court to be understood very well, and which area they are connected. See, it is suggested and advised above that textbooks are to be read, but at the same time I say that Bail Act cannot be avoided. Bail Act cannot be underestimated. So Bail Act to be read properly. A book helps, but it is empirical. And you go through all the Bail Acts religiously. You should go very religiously, without doubt, without any haste. Bail Acts very important. Notes, see, at the time of exams, this is not possible to read all books. So please make notes for all the subjects which you have read. And at the time, you should go through the revision of these notes only. Past year papers also you see, because you will get some knowledge about the trend of the examination. What type of questions are there? You can go for mock test. You can create online. There are many tests given on the online. Mock test you can very well understand. And you prepare your own way. You consult with your professor, your college, like Global College of Law. Various teachers are there who give specific advice and suggestions about the CLAT. You can very well come forward. And when you are ready, you can go for mock test. You can call from your college. We provide free without any discussion. Discussion, you make group of the students to prepare, because the revision of the course question is very important, area is very important, and this is possible only when you have a group certain students who are preparing of your own wavelength. Practice makes a man perfect. Practice of mock tests is very important. I am sure that you will be able to do practice of all these subjects, all important areas, all things which appeared in newspapers and media for last 2 years, because the cases of last 2 years held by various high courts and Supreme Court are of utmost importance and significance to be understood very well. I am sure students will prepare. Multiple choice questions of 100 questions are there. Major number of the questions are from the Constitution of India, Indian Contract Act, tort, jurisprudence. And to understand them very well, I hope the Indian IPC, this Constitution is a substantive law based on which the government runs the daily process, and also to take forward the preamble of the Constitution. Accordingly, other books are there. I am sure that the course material is enough, and I am sure that Delta Academy Ghaziabad will be along with you throughout to prepare for this exam, and the students who get opportunity will be the luckiest people, because to get job in PSC in 2 days time when there is no possibility of exams, this and that. And CLAT is a very straightforward exam without interference much. It is through the consortium, and they clearly have the vision how the exam to be conducted and how the merit is to be declared and how the papers are framed, the pattern, everything is there. Delta Academy is at your disposal. Delta Academy 60@gmail.com. You can write your queries. Whatever that, I'm sure that by this video will be of very good use to you. For that, if you want questions of CLAT of last certain years, we can start a series for that, and also we can give the mock tests. But it is possible only when that you take in test various judgments, various doctrines we have been making. You can go through the site, you can go through the Facebook page of Delta Academy, you can go through the Facebook page of Global College of Law, you can go to YouTube channel of Global College of Law to know jurisprudence, to know the Constitution of India, to know Indian Contract Act, to know tort and other laws. Accordingly, you can go to Delta Academy. So we are well prepared and well rich in the sense that academically we have full strength of our teachers, coaches to give you advice time and again. I wish all the best, students. Please apply if you have not applied, and prepare, start preparation. 13th June is not far. Hope that COVID will subside by that time and the exam will be conducted in time. With this, I wish all the best, and also hope you will like this video on YouTube channel of Delta Academy. You will subscribe and will give your remarks when you find any necessity of anything, how to read Bare Act and how to interpret statutes. To know how to interpret the statute is very important subject for which we have expertise. Legal writing, we have expertise. We teach our students, and also hope that you people who are aspirants, either from Global College or otherwise, can very well understand. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.